GitHub just changed the game for developers and collaborators. If you are brand new and want to join the code-loving community, this video will guide you through setting up your first GitHub account. Let's get started. To begin, you want to open up your web browser, then search GitHub, then head over to github.com. Here you will find the sign up option. Select that. Now you will have to enter your email address. After that, enter your password. Make sure that you create a strong password. Now create your username. After that, select your country and region. Once everything is done, click on the continue option. Now you will have to verify your account. You can choose visual puzzle or audio puzzle. Complete the puzzle and click on submit. Now, a verification code will be sent to the email address. Enter that and click on continue. Now you will have to sign in. For that, enter the username or email address. Then enter your password and now click on the sign in option. And as you can see, your new GitHub account has been successfully created. Now you can complete your profile. For that, click on the update profile option. Now enter all the details such as name, bio, pronouns, company name. Then you can upload your profile picture as well. And in this way, you can easily create your GitHub account. And that's it for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.